Hi everyone! What if All the Things You Are was written in 5/4? Let's check it out. I picked this just standard on purpose. We all know it in 4, so playing it in 5 really challenges your brain in a good way. It's also a great tune for this kind of practice, because the chords mostly change once per bar, which makes things much clearer when you are starting out. I'll show you some simple exercises that will help you really feel the 5/4 time. All examples are included in a free PDF. You can download it from the link in the description below. Alright, start with the first exercise. We'll use the harmony of All the Things You Are as the form for today's practice, but in 5. Try this rhythm: 2 dotted quarter notes and 2 quarter notes, then switch it, 2 quarter notes and 2 dotted quarter notes. I'm using a simple 3-note voicing, root in the left hand and third and seventh in the right hand. Now the right hand plays quarter notes up and down the scale, while the left hand plays roots and fifths. Next, the right hand moves to 8 notes. Now try 2 8 notes plus an 8-note rest in the right hand. These exercises are perfect for building awareness of 5. Start slowly, then gradually increase the tempo. Over time, explore different rhythmic patterns and try improvising instead of just moving up and down the scale. That's when 5 really becomes a creative playground.